We're gonna go in with this, one of the Pro Slim palettes, and this is the Desert Romance. I'm romantic, so you know, chose a perfect palette for me. These are the colors in it. We're gonna do a nice cut crease look. So ooh, these shades are beautiful. I really love neutral shades. We're gonna start off with this shade. Don't know if you guys can see it properly. So start with that on the outside. But I love brown, so we're gonna go in with the brown. So you're gonna start in the outer corner, going in. For the cut crease, I'm going to use the tube concealer. I'm going in with a very light shade because the lighter the better. So get some of that concealer out. You start it off here, depending on how high you want your crease to be. Basically just going to a straight line. It doesn't have to be a straight line, but I mean, come on, one step at a time. There you go. So we're going in with this very nice gold here in the corner, this one, and then you start in the middle. So you can either start in the outer corners, but I always thought I want to add another shade there. I'm going to go in with a nice nude here at the end, then I'll blend it out with my browns as well. So there you go, guys. So just blend. Do not be scared to blend. Like, blending makes your eyes beautiful, makes your makeup beautiful, period.